Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're taking a look at 8 amazing apps that you can download for free from the App Store that I believe you must try on your device because they're really good, and of course most of them are actually very useful. And we're starting things off with device status. Now right here we have just an example of a couple of different widgets that you can add from this app. It has a ton to offer. It's actually an amazing app. Looking into the app right here, you can see you will have all the information regarding your device. Then right here you will have things like your CPU, your RAM memory, your battery, and your storage. You can of course go to each of them to see like details information regarding your device. Then right here you will have the network, you will have the different sensors that are on your device, and it will show you whether they're working or not, which is really awesome. And we have this design here that goes really well with a liquid glass of iOS 26 that is pretty cool. And then right here we have the tools. We have the picture-in-picture tools, we have the different like motion and also location tools, and you will have here the sensors, input, the output, the others as well, which is really awesome. Now what I like is this part right here, the picture-in-picture tool. So if you need to have any of these information on a floating window or the dynamic island, you can just basically use them directly from here. In this case, we have right here the temperature of the CPU, and it shows the chart right here on the picture-in-picture mode. The next one is Reply Kit. Now this is a keyboard app, meaning that you will have to first enable it before you can use it. So head on to settings and go to general. And then right here under keyboard, all you have to do is go to your keyboards and make sure you have Reply Kit right there, and now you're good to go. Now what it does, it basically allows to quickly reply with things that you preset on the app. So here we switch to the keyboard, and you can see we have the personal, we have office right there. You can see we can go to personal, office, and basically we can just enter that text that we have previously set on the app directly from here. So you can see it will save you a ton of time, especially if you add like maybe different emails or phone numbers, things that you need. You will have them right there with one touch. You can actually send them. So you can see right here you tap the plus button, and you can go ahead and create like a text template, image template, a new folder if you want to organize something. Like let's say you can create a new folder, let's say it's phone numbers, and you can have all the phone numbers that you need right there, or emails, or anything that you want to quickly add from your keyboard. The next app for the video is called Zoom Magic. Now this one is a really interesting app. So it basically does the automatic zoom for you. You choose the start of your zoom, where you want to start, where you want to finish. So right here we're at 2x, we're finishing at 9x, and the duration of the zoom will be 10 seconds. So we start right here. We don't have to do basically anything. It will start doing it by itself, and you can see just like that, it will zoom in all the way to 9x, which is the one that we have actually set for this, and it will save that to camera roll. Now you can see we can go up there, so right there we can start the zoom again. You can see how cool that looks, especially if you have your iPhone fixed somewhere and you're trying to take like a video, zooming into something. This will actually do everything automatically, and it's pretty cool. Next up is Toolbox Pro. Well, right here you will have over 100 tools that you can use for free on your iPhone. Just taking a look at these tools right there, you will probably need like tens of apps to just do all these tasks that you can do with this app. So right here we have all the different tools right here in one place. You will have your favorite section right here, so you save the tools that you use the most. And then right here we'll have the tools like different calculators. Right here we can go to different categories. So we have the calculators, we have the converters. You can convert like different units, currency, all that stuff. You will have the productivity. You can like convert files. You will have here digital signature, a stopwatch. Then you will have the media here. You can compress videos, add watermarks, convert audios, and all that. You will have the sensors right here, and then you will have music and audio. You will have the device section right here. We will have a flashlight, the device info, the magnifier, screen doctor right there if you just want to take a look at the screen and see if everything is working. And then you will have the dev and security right here, and then you will also have communication and lifestyle. So you will have a ton of different tools in one place, as it says right there, over 100 tools. And just underneath that, you will also have a search bar where you can quickly find any tool that you need. Bast is the next app for the video. This app will show you the real battery cycles and the real battery health of your device. Now, you have probably seen previously a trick that you can do from just extracting the analytics from your settings and do that through a shortcut. Well, with this app, you can do it from here. So what it does, first of all, you will need to go to your settings, and from here, go under privacy and security, and then scroll all the way down here to analytics and improvements, then go to analytics data. And what you will need to do is find where it says analytics and it has a date on it. So right here we have this one, which is the last day basically. So you go here and then tap the share button and save this to the files app. So right there, here we have it saved. Now we go back into the app, just tap on import. We go ahead and select that, and now in a couple of seconds right here, it will show me all the details I need to know regarding my battery. You can see it shows also the current capacity right there in exact numbers, which is really awesome, something that you don't see on your battery settings. Next up, we have an app called Dual Camera. Now, this one is pretty cool. You will find a ton of dual camera apps on the App Store, but this one is really awesome. It has a bunch of extra options that you will probably not find on other apps. Like we have the dual here, the split screen right here, so up and down, and we have sideways, or we can do the picture in picture right here. And of course, you can always switch between the cameras, which is really awesome. Now right here, we'll have the flash, the timer, and also you can go ahead and change right here the resolution. And if you go to settings, you will have here the aspect ratio, the resolutions, all that stuff that you can choose and change from here, which is really awesome. Now right here, we'll also have the zoom options, which is really cool. You can press to record anytime from this button right here, and this button allows you to quickly switch between the cameras. Next up is Media Editor, a simple app that allows you to quickly edit your videos or photos, and it has a ton of options. Probably something that you will find on an app that will cost you more than $10. So you just load a picture or a video from your camera roll, and once you have done that, you will see right here how many options we have on this simple app. So right here we have the video, we can add audio, text, add an overlay, or even a drawing. We can of course split right here. If we want to split something, then you will have the options here for the audio. You can with fade it, maybe mute it if you want to. Then you will have the trim options right here. So everything will have basically its own section. So it's actually really awesome. So you can see right here we have a ton of different options. So we can add frames, we can of course crop this, we can reverse it, we can just do a ton of things on this video, which you can only do on apps that do cost a lot. And last but not least is Tables, a simple app that allows you to quickly create any table you need. So right here we have A and B, so those are the columns. We have the rows right here. You want to add rows, simply tap on the plus button. You want to add columns right there, just go ahead and add a column. You can of course go ahead, type here anything you want. It's as simple as that. A plus button to add columns, one to add rows. So it's that simple. You tap right there and it's saved right here into the app. And then of course from here you will be able to delete it, or maybe even if you want to, you can just go ahead and export it to your Files app. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did and you want to download any of these apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.